Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change the color of an image in Canva. So guys, you're looking to change the color of an image in Canva. All you need to do is open up a blank canvas. So you must have a Canva account, and with your account just simply open up a blank page. You could have an untitled or rather empty design that looks like this, and all you need to do now is just upload an image onto it and simply change the color. So let's say you're starting from scratch with a blank page. Head over to the uploads, or you could use the templates menu to simply add a template. So in the upload menu, let's go ahead and select an image, and I've successfully added this image. So once you've added an image, all you need to do is, some images give you the option to directly change the color from the color wheel here, while others you have to use an edit feature. So I'll be showing you both. So for this one, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on colors, and then you can begin changing the colors in the photo. So let's say you want to make the photo red, that's the grass to be red. As you can see, I was successful in doing that. And let's say you want to change the color of the jerseys to something like white. I have done that as well. And let's say you want to change the neutral color to something like turquoise. This is what it looks like. So basically you could have it look in a different shade. You could have it look different and look entirely new from what it was generally set to be. We can have it in blue here, we can have it in purple, we could even have it in red, back to red, and it kind of looks like this. Now, if you want to change the colors back to their original states, you can use the undo key, which is the control key and Z to change that. All right, so we're back at the normal stage. And now for the second option of editing a color, let's say the color wheel is unavailable, just go ahead and click on edit here. The edit menu would open, scroll through till you find effects. You'll see shadow autofocus. Just simply move and select duotone. Once you've clicked on duotone, go ahead and click on custom. Once you have clicked on custom, you can set the highlights to a different color like red, and then you can set the shadows to something like white. It gives it this negative feel. You could just play around with the colors till you get what you want, but sometimes it's better to use the color wheel that is available for editing. All right guys, so that's how you can go about changing the colors of an image. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.